Hi students, good morning to all of you and welcome to online class. Look here students, this class we will solve the exercise part question answer unit 5 our simple needs water the elixir of life. Here student, just you open in your textbook page number 150. Here one picture is given, start first page of the EVS in the first lesson. Here look at the picture below. There are source of water. Some are natural, other are man-made. Classify each source under the correct heading. Here they are given the some natural source of water picture and man-made source of water picture. I think already you know that the which are the man-made source of water, which are the natural source of water. So we have to classify it. Here the given column is there. So that one you have to identify which pictures come under the natural source of water, which picture under come to man-made source of water. Just look here, I already written student. Very simple. Natural source of water is pond is there, lake, stream, waterfall is there here. Waterfall is also natural, pond is natural, lake is natural, river is also natural here. Here river is also coming student. What? River. And waterfall is coming, stream is coming, and man-made source here well is there, no student? Well, tube well, and reservoir, these all are man-made source of student. Okay, I hope you are understood. Very simple is there, but in the next upcoming exam these are definitely will be coming, so please have to look properly and study properly. And this is very simple is the student. We all know that water exists in the three states. Our water is there every day we are drinking water. That water exists in the three state. It means what? Water can convert it into solid also, and water can convert it into gas also. First of all, water is the which state is the student? First of all, the given water is there in the liquid state is the student. There are three status of matter student here. One is the solid, second one is the liquid, third one is the gas. So these are the three status of matter on the earth. So one more is there, that's when you will learn to the higher classes. So these three are the status of matter on the earth. Water is the only it can be converted into all three status of matter. The water element is there, this only one element it have to convert into all three states of matter. Solid, if there solid is there water, it may be converted into liquid, and liquid have to convert it into gas. So this is the water is the only how to convert all three stages of matter. Can I tell to you examples? Here for example, take water just to put into the refrigerator, means water, fridge. Then after 3 to 4 hours, what happen? The water can convert it into ice. So ice is the which status of matter? Solid student. Okay, now you have to this ice taken out from the refrigerator, just put outside the sunlight. Then what happen? That ice is converted into water. Again it converted into liquid. Then again 3 to 4 hours you just stay on the sunlight. What happen? Some amount of water is evaporated from the your given glass or anyone, whatever you put that place, some amount of water is evaporate. That water evaporate state is called gas student. So keep in your mind, if there anyone you ask which element how to convert it into all three states of matter, the your answer is only you tell water. Okay, so let's come student. I will solve the exercise question, because already I explained in the last 5 class whole this unit 5 lessons. So now I only solve the exercise question answer. Here student, exercise is there. Name 3 natural source of water. I already said student, river, lake, pond, stream, many more are there. You have to write in your notebook. Okay, And name 3 man-made source of water. So many are there. You have to write reservoirs, well, tube well, canal. Canal is also man-made source. So you have to write many. Okay. And here one more is the student, distinguish between river and canal, well and tube well, lake and pond. These 3 I will tell to you next class, student. Okay, so river, canal, well and tube well, lake and pond, the next class I will tell you. So be prepared well. Today onwards I will solve the exercise question answer. These are the very important upcoming examination, student. So within 2 to 3 days I will complete this exercise part question. Next I will start the new lesson. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.